So Rosalinda, you were able to make a placement. You came to the workshop on a Thursday, and then on a Monday you made 2 placements with one of a client. So that is fantastic. Three days. Can I ask you, how were you able to do that so quickly after just a couple of days of training?
Okay. Actually, that client was my employer before.
Good.
And she knew that I know people. So she called me and she asked me if I can find people for her.
Yes.
Like healthcare assistant and cleaner. I said, yeah, I can.
Yes.
Because my business is already open.
Yes.
So I said, okay, I can. So after that, I started calling.
Yes.
I started using my phone, call all my friends, relatives.
Yes.
And then they started, okay, we'll find someone for you.
Mm-hmm.
And then give us the address and how much is the rate.
Yes.
So from there, they started calling me back.
Yes. Is it true to say that you've almost, with that one placement, that was equivalent almost to your monthly salary?
Yeah.
Is that fair to say?
Mm-hmm.
So just for clarification.
That's why I'm so interested to have this business, because if you can place even 3 clients, it's almost doubled your income or tripled your income.
Wow. So one placement. So it took you 2 days to earn the equivalent of your monthly salary.
Yeah.
That is superb. Very, very good. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah. And the training and the support, not just from me, from my team, because my team makes my business.
The training was very good. I really like it because it guides me, how to do it step by step.
Yes.
It gives me a lot of knowledge and how to do the invoicing and how to do the like I asked you before, how can I do the invoicing, and then you said put the the address and the registration number under the at the bottom. So I did that.
Excellent. And your terms of business, so because you bring the terms of business in, and then you and I will go through just to make sure that that's correct, and we gave some pointers.
Yeah, and every time I called you, you're there.
Yes.
You didn't left me or one of the staff.
Very good.
It's really it's encouraging, because if it's only me, maybe I will be like, oh, what will I do next? I really need mentor. That's why I come to you.
Very good. Are you a confident go-getter, salesperson, business individual? Is that you, Rosalinda?
Maybe. Because every time before I go to sleep, I have to think, what will I do next? To gain clients and to have candidates.
Yes. They say if you're not thinking about your business when you're in the shower, then you haven't got a business. And I think sometimes with my clients, whilst they're on the training, they're fine. But then sometimes when they're out the training, they don't. So the fact that you're keen, because you want to make this a living, because you're right, if 2 days you're able to do your salary within a month, then the goal will be to do this every single time, so you can replace your salary, and then you don't have to go to work as a carer. Is that fair?
Yeah,
fair
and
to say?
that is part of it. But first thing, most of my goal is to help. I want to help people. I want to help my employer before, because she really needs help. And then I want to help people from abroad. I want to bring them here. That's why I couldn't sleep. They're waiting for me.
Wow. Well, there's a massive shortage of care workers here in the UK. The UK government is open up and said, yes, let people come through. So the fact that you've got the business there for these individuals, I always say to target the low-hanging fruit. So you target people in the UK. But as you know, there's a limited number of people in the UK. So the fact that you can open the door for people in the Philippines is good. It's good for the people in the Philippines. It's good for your business. And it's good for the clients as well.
Yeah, because I researched the home office, who are the people who can come now. So we can, the nursing homes can take carers, which the code is 6145. So if they will have the certificate of sponsorship, so they can bring them here.
Wow. And you've got a number of people you can bring to the UK, and they're waiting for you just to find the business, and you can bring them over.
Exactly,
Great. Would you recommend our training?
Of course, I recommended already. So they're interested, but then they said, I will see how you did first before.
Well, that's good, because if they see how you're doing it, you're making placement in 2 days, then that's an advert in itself.
They're interested, because I told them maybe next year I will be retiring. And then, it's too early. I said, I have to concentrate, because I have to concentrate with my business because it's you can help and then you're earning a lot.
Yes. Well, indeed. Yeah, if you've got people working for you in the business. I mean, the goal would be to have a team, to have an office, and then you can grow your agency. And I think it's good because you're putting the client's interest first. As you know, right from the training, Zig Ziglar, one of these business gurus I ascribe to, he said, if you help other people to get everything that they want, then you'll get everything that you want. And that's what you're doing. You're putting the client's interest first and you're putting the candidate's interest first. And that's why in a very short space of time, 2 days, and you've made more money than or equivalent to your monthly salary. That is fantastic. Well,
more than maybe if I can place 2, then it's more than my monthly income.
So you've almost doubled your salary within 2 to 3 days of starting. And the reason why I don't usually do this interview, but the reason I've done this interview because that is so good, so encouraging, and it also show our clients. So some clients, after a week or 2, they might be strong. So I'm not too sure if it, but they're not put in the work. But you've put in the work.
Yeah, but it's good to have a mentor though, because otherwise I don't know what to do next.
Yes.
Like if I have a problem, to whom I will call.
Yes.
I don't have a help.
Okay.
So mentor is the needed really badly.
Okay. And you're happy with me as your mentor.
Yeah.
Well done. So thank you very much, Rosalinda. I know you said you feel a little bit uncomfortable. You did superb with this interview. You're a natural.
Thank you so much.
You're a natural. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.